I ordered this Insta360 lens card from Shopee, and it comes from China. And this is to protect my Insta360 One X2. So this is what includes inside the box. So what's inside the box of this Insta360 One X2 lens cards? The instruction manuals includes how to stuff, uh, a removal tool that looks like a guitar pick, extra adhesive in case you have to remove or accidentally removed your lens cards. So this one should replace these adhesives at the back. So you have two extra more. And I think that's it. So hopefully this will last. So this is how it looks like without the lens cover. And the other one, I already have the lens cover, and make sure that you align the hole on the lens cover to the microphone at the bottom. And now we're going to attach the other one here. Okay, so this is how it looks like after attaching both sides of the lens cards. And because of this, I'll be able to be more confident using this one outdoors, like attaching it to the motorcycle, because to prevent it from scratching the lens. Alright, maybe in the next video or in the next upload, I'll be making a review on the image quality with the lens cards on. Okay, with the Insta360 lens cards, I also bought this case, and the space is big enough for the lens cover to fit in. So this is really perfect. You have like a space or an opening on the bottom for the selfie stick. If you're able to enjoy the video, and like and subscribe my channel, and have a great one.